Apple 2022 MacBook Air with M2 chip, sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the Apple 2022 MacBook Air with the powerful M2 chip. This redesigned MacBook Air is incredibly portable, weighing just 2.7 pounds. Experience lightning-fast performance with the next-generation 8-core CPU and up to 10-core GPU. Apple Intelligence helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. Enjoy up to 18 hours of battery life, perfect for all-day use. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display offers over 500 nits of brightness and P3 wide color. Look sharp with a 1080p FaceTime HD camera and sound great with a 4-speaker sound system. Stay connected with versatile ports, including MagSafe charging and 2 Thunderbolt ports. Your MacBook Air feels familiar and works seamlessly with all your Apple devices. The all-aluminum unibody enclosure ensures exceptional durability. Free software updates keep your MacBook Air running smoothly and securely for years. Run all your favorite apps, including Microsoft 365, Zoom, and many iPhone and iPad apps. The backlit keyboard allows you to work comfortably in any lighting condition. Apple's M2 chip delivers power-efficient performance for all your tasks. Enjoy vibrant images and incredible detail on the Liquid Retina display. The 3-mic array ensures clear audio for calls and recordings. Get ready to elevate your productivity and creativity with the new MacBook Air. Rated 4.7s, order today for $849.